Sometimes it takes 10 years to get that 1 year that will change your life. Just keep going. Remain consistent. Consistent in your work ethic. Consistent in what you stand for. Consistently showing up every single day. Rain, hail, or shine. When everything is great and when nothing is. Keep showing up.
You said you tried and it didn't work. You said you did everything. You read the books. You put in the work. And it still didn't work. When did anyone say it only took 1 try, 2, 5, 10 tries? When did any successful person mention that you only need to give your best effort for 1 month, then you'll be successful? When did any great person mention they only gave their all for 6 months or any period of time? When did anyone say giving up will get you closer to your goal? I'll tell you when. Never! If you think you only need to give your best for a year and then you can live the rest of your life successful, well, you've lost your mind!
If you want to make your dream reality, you have to be consistent. Consistent is also known as every single day. It never ends. It never ends.
Welcome you all to India's largest summit for aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's rebuild Kerala and rise up taller at IEDC Summit 2K18 for a greater tomorrow. Best wishes from IEDC MESCE.